somewhere in the crowd there.
Hi guys. So we just finished the picture.
Hello guys!
Take over.
I'm very happy that I'm part of the palaro. Kaming dalawa yung mga biglaan nung nakapasok. So, for now, we're just signing all the forms that we have to finish. But yeah, probably we're gonna enter. I'm not sure if we have training today, but let's check.
Punta na naman
So
yan sa ano.
we just finished yung picture. And like Kuya Matthew said, we're signing something.
Guys, 17 days still palaro.
Hi. Hi. Ate Shin. Hi.
Hi.
Pangit. Hi, gang.
Sino pa? Kuya AJ. Hi. Kuya Jack.
Pakita mo yung ano.
Cut.
Kuya Seb, say hi.
What's up guys?
In English ka, say hi. Hi. Say hi, man. Is that a vlog? Ha?
Kaya masakit sa mata eh.
Let's ask them. Okay, Matthew, say hi ulit.
Hi!
Say hi. Okay, we're gonna be asking what's the events of Valor. So, si Ian.
Okay, 8 free and 1 5.
2 back, 2 fly, and 4 free.
8
Ay, 50 breasts, 100 breasts, 2 breasts, 2 free, and 50 free? Hindi ko lang.
Okay, let's ask. Sino pa? Okay, Matthew, what's your events of Valor?
1 back, 2 back. Backstroke.
Ate Zab. Hi. What's your events in Valor?
1 back, 2 back.
What's your events in Valor?
4 IM.
What's your events in Valor? 50 back.
Ano? 50 fly and 1 fly. Sign ka na.
Ako. I got 50 back then.
Sino pa? Lavo. What's your events?
50 back.
Kuya Jet, what's your events?
200 free, 100 free, and 50 free.
What's your events?
2 breasts!
What's your events? What's your events?
Let to fly. Get ready.
What's your events, Jose?
50, 100, and 200 breaststroke.
What's your events? Marley, what's your events?
1-5.
Hi guys. We're doing screening right now. Hi guys. So we're just walking right now.
Yeah.
Yes, daganap kasi walang magawa.
Ang ganda ng sunset sa likod natin background.
So guys, hear me out kami. So go.
Hear me out.
Hear me out.
Okay.
Hear me out. Saria. Ito wag mo to i-blur ha kasi friend na ako dito. Crush ko talaga itong tao. Hear me out. Saria dem.
Hear me out. Matthew Lope. Box ka dyan, Pearl. Wag.
Hi guys, good morning.
Hi, good morning, guys.
So nag-ayos kami ng gamit before we're gonna go out. Addition here. We're about to go sa bus right now. And then 10 to 12 hours, di ba?
Yeah.
10 to 12 hours yung ano namin going sa loob.
Ready, mag-iwalay tayo.
Okay, Matthew, say hi sa vlog.
Hi.
Yung boys bus 1, guys. Kami girls bus 2. Say hi sa vlog.
Hindi.
Say hi sa vlog.
Vlog. Vlog.
Bye guys. See you sa bus. Ayan yung bus sa girls, guys.
Say hi sa vlog. Mishka. Ate Mishka.
Hi guys, so nasa bus na kami ngayon.
Iya, nasa Mishka. Katabi ko si Ate Ri. Dadala yung pilas. Ate Love.
Hi guys, I'm here with Shinoa. Kami ang magka-seatmate. Say hi guys. Hi. Hi guys. Six kami aalis. 6:05 na.
Guys, ang sikip ng bus. Like, super. There's no leg space. There's no leg space here. Right, Ati? No leg space. Right now, guys, di pa kami nakaalis. Kasi, I don't know why din. Feel ko like, in a few minutes, alis na kami. So, I think we're about to leave right now, guys. Kasi, we're already complete. So, we're 2 hours in right now. And, currently, it's mga 9:06. Right now, we left at mga 7. So, 2 hours. 2 hours. Somewhere here. Hi guys, so nag-stop kami right now. Because we're gonna eat the Hi guys.
Hi guys. Stopovers.
Stopovers. Right now. Eat all you can, guys.
Okay, Matthew.
Coming ka ba?
2 hours daw kami dito.
Ha? We?
Oo, sa
Anong 2 hours gaga ka ba?
2 hours lang. So, like I said, 2 hours kami dito. Kasi for lunch din daw, sabi ni ma'am. Yeah. 2 hours dito. Tagal, tulog pa ako dito. How's the bus? My back hurts na sobra. Nasa aircon kami, guys.
Ang haggard namin lahat, guys.
Yes. Sakit lang pa ako. Nakaupo lang.
Sakit ng likod ko. I can't sleep properly nga dun.
Yung ibang aquatics.
Purpose nila. Ikaw dapat magka-cover ng sound effect pag hinihira ko. 1, 2, 3.
Hi guys, we're dying for the food right now. Stop overrating. 10 out of 10 for me.
Matapang na may lasa.
Stop. Stop overrating. Stop overrating.
I would rate this a out of 10. Seriously. Ay, wala bang because like the food is good, but it kind of lacks something, and the juice in some of their varieties is kind of small. It could expand more, but I understand that they're in a province area, so
But it's good.
yeah, it's good. It's good. It's good. It's good.
Stop overrating. Stop overrating. Stop overrating. Okay lang. Stop overrating.
Overrating?
Stop overrating.
Overrating? 10 out of 10.
Food, 10 out of 10.
I start bro.
Mercon.
Mercon, yes. 10 out of 10.
Cold.
Stop overrating.
What stop overeating? Oh. No.
Stop over.
Rate the stop overeating.
Start
I rate it.
overrating.
A free.
No. Now.
Stop overrating.
He misses Grisel.
No. I will rate it at 5.
Stop overrating.
I rate it 7/10.
Stop overrating. Stop overrating. Stop overrating. Rate sa stop overrating.
Like an 8.
Hi guys, so we went back sa bus na. Iya's watching Alice in Wonderland. Iya, anong episode ka na?
Episode 8.
Malapit na mag-season 2. Hi guys, so it's 1:40 right now. And we're in Canton City. Layo pa kami. Second stopover guys.
Wala pa yung last bus?
So, di ba nag-stop over kami? And this is in Vegan already. We're back on the bus. There's still, some of them are still there. Somewhere over there. Yeah. Season 2 na si Iya. Hi guys, so we're here na.
Then ipapasok sa kabila.
Bumaba na kami sa bus. Hi guys, we're here na.
Mga bags mo nila dito.
Ito, room 214, Coleman, Villa, San Diego, Eugenio.
Nag-ano kami sa rooms right now. Roommates and yung room Rocky. Hi guys, so these are the ano that Nas gave us. My bag, isang short, tatlong shirts, and one and shoes. Hi guys. The hotel is so nice. We're gonna be walking around because wala kami magawa. Guys, so yung POV namin, bahay ni Kuya.
Housemates. I don't know yung housemates. Matthew. May papagawa akong sa'yo yung task. Pag may babae kami. Pakalalaki kami.
Hi guys, we're gonna train here. Pero bungee cord lang.
Bungee cord?
Hi guys, so we just finished training.
Ako hindi ako nag-training.
We're eating right now. Hi guys, so good morning. Kanina pa ako gising pero yeah. Tulog pa sila. Hi guys. We're gonna eat na. We're going sa cafe.
I will see Minecraft.
is how I get quiet when there's no one else around. Me and you and awkward silence. Don't you dare look at me that way. I don't need remind.
Hi guys, so we're gonna go to training now.
But here we are.
What? Hi guys, so we're here na. Guys, tingnan nyo, sakto. Dito makes sense. Area we're gonna train. Hi guys, saka tapos namin mag-training. This dark, very dark.
So what?
So, right now, guys, we're going back sa van. Kasama ko si Iya right now. I think si Kuya Matthew, nagbihis pa. Or like, he's there, or not sure. Pero feel ko nagbihis kasi his gear bag is still there. Satiri also here.
I hate distance.
So, hi guys, so we're in the van ulit right now.
Wala. Guys, tingnan mo.
Someone take a video
Yung
of it.
pool. Hey, like our pool right there. Yung para sa ice bath. Delete.
Call mo sila, Zap. Zap, call mo.
Oh my gosh.
Look at
Oh my
that.
gosh, it's gonna fly. Pause. Pause, y'all. Pause.
Hi guys, so we're back sa hotel. We're gonna eat right now. Yeah. So hot. As you can see, init ng init.
Itin ko na guys. First day pa lang to.
Hey guys, so we're back in the room now, and I'll think I'll just video later
Baka ba
again.
dyan?
Oh, Your Matthew's here. Matthew is here also.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Kuya Matthew's using Flash for his vlog right now.
What is this? There's 2 vloggers in one.
Hi guys, so ikot-ikot muna kami kasi Ate Ri, I think she's eating and I'm locked out sa room. Ate Shin, she's downstairs po. Hi guys, good morning. We have our IDs now. Kuya Jat wants to sum.
Okay, bye.
We're good. I'm gonna go downstairs na. Because silang Iya, they're down. Hi guys, nasa baba na ako.
Ilang meter daw yun?
So, we're gonna go to training na. Doon kami sa last bus daw, sabi ni Coach.
Our pool is different this time.
So, nasa likod kami right now. I'm here with Kuya Matthew.
What do you have in store? One life away, we can't explore. But I don't wanna go away no more. Cause it's the type of feeling you can't ignore. I'm ready.
Hi guys, so bumaba na kami. We're in Port Ilocanja. Something, yeah. That's what it says here. Sa bus. Ay, sa van pala. Yeah.
Leave me where you found me.
Hi guys, kakatapos namin mag-training. We are so dark right now.
Mishka, just go!
I'm gonna insert a picture here mamaya. So guys, right now we're going back sa bus. I don't know if punta pa kami ng ano. We're gonna buy something kasi there was a store in the front. Hi guys, so we're eating right now.
I was crazy, I said, baby girl, I know, but I can't let you go away, so don't you get me started now. I want it, yes, I don't want maybes, cause they leave me where you found me.
Hi guys.
yung paa natin. Tapos
Nice
ganun.
training.
Military base.
Yeah, what time is it?
So obviously, 7:30. Obviously, may namatay na dito.
Ghost.
I'm gonna punch this guy.
Kaya obviously may ghost. So like, when we're swimming, right? Biglang may hila sa paa natin, tapos wala pala.
Hi guys, so kakatapos lang namin mag-training. We're waiting for Timishka.
I'm tired. Yun.
What time is it?
It's 8:56 na. Yan. Pag-9 na.
Kakain pa kami mamaya. And next, mag-BRP. It's like mga 20 minutes.
So,
So,
we started training like 7:30. Ganun. So, like mga 1 hour lang.
yeah. This closes at 9:30.
Yeah.
Ayun, sa Timishka.
Thank you guys.
So guys, pauwi na kami.
Wow. Long.
Here at Timishka, kay Matthew, Carter, Tia, si Ate Rihanna, may dalawa pa, Ash, and Atisha. I think coach is in front also. I'm not sure. Yeah, hi guys. So, we're going to breakfast right now. And my hair is not hairy. Like, as in. So guys, bumalik muna kami kasi coach isn't here yet. And we don't want to wait downstairs. We're going back sa rooms muna. Waterfall guys. Nagpapad yung room nila Iya kasi yung bidet nag-ano. Hi guys, so we're gonna train now. We're going sa bus. We're in the bus right now. We're going pa sa train. We're waiting for coach. Hi guys, so punta kami beach ngayon.
We deserve this.
Yes. Right? Feel ko titingin lang kami kasi, yeah.
Got on my leather jacket.
Hi guys, nasa beach na kami.
Showing at the Miller. Man, I'm a lady killer. If I want her, I'm a stiller. I promise I can make her fly away like caterpillars. So if you don't know by now, then you should probably get familiar. So if you don't know by now, then you should probably get familiar. So if you don't know by now, then
Hi guys, so we're going back sa hotel na. Hi guys, so right now I'm filming an iPad because nasira cellphone ko. We're about to go to training. Hi guys, so we're in the bus now and we're going to Dalawa Sports Center. Like I said, I'm building a iPad. My phone, it turns on. This is my button. Hi guys, so we're walking, going sa pool na.
Hi, guys.
Say,
Hi guys, so we just finished training.
Yes, ha? That's a witch's picture out here.
So guys, right now pauwi na kami. Once we go back sa hotel, we're gonna do ice bath. So we're here na. I don't know if kakain kami muna. And then ice bath or ice bath and then kakain. Guys, so mag-ice bath muna pala kami before kakain.
Friendly guy. Last 30.
Hi guys, these are the other uniforms. And the water jacket, pants, another shirt, and a hat. Hi guys, so we're going to do SLC right now. Hi guys, so we're going to training right now. Hi guys, so we just finished training. And we're gonna have ice bath ulit. And then this time Coach said it's 2 minutes instead of 1 minute. Hi guys, so we just got back. And mag-ice bath kami ulit. 2 minutes daw sabi ni Coach. Kasi longer. And then Coach, hapon was like 1 minute 30 seconds, so it's 1 minute.
Siya nandito.
Now, 2 minutes.
Don't let them in, don't let them see.
Umiiyak pa siya! Hi guys, so kakatapos lang namin.
Warm up.
Kakatapos lang namin mag-ice bath. 2 minutes each. Guys, it was so yeah, multo. Hi guys, so we're eating dinner right now. So guys, may bagong suit ako. CR na Mizuno. I'm gonna show it to you mamaya. Guys, so these are more things that Hi guys, so we're going to training now ulit. And we already know the lineup sa relays namin. Hi guys, so we just finished training. It's mga 10 something right now. We're waiting for the others. And then after that, we're gonna go now.
My favorite songs are from 2018. We flew around the world with our small town dreams.
Hi guys, so they made us go downstairs. There's a meeting, something ata. Hi guys, so we went stability because we're gonna practice the parade. Hi guys, so we're in the parade area now. We're just lining up here kasi we're just waiting. Hi guys, it's 7:02 or 7:03 something. We're still in the parade. Like we're still waiting right now. So I'm saving my phone battery because it's 30%. And there's no charger. I don't have a charger or power bank. Malapit na guys. Hi guys, so we just finished swimming. We like practiced relays and yeah. Afternoon, we're just gonna rest now. Hi guys, so we're going downstairs now. We're about to go sa pool. We're just gonna meet muna sa lobby and then yeah. Hi guys, we just finished warming up right now. Now we're waiting for the event to start. The elementary boys or girls and boys have been called sa ready bench now for their 2 free without Hi guys, so day 1 is done. I got 2 PBs, 4 free and 2 fly. Yeah. Hi guys, so cheering squad kami ngayon kasi most of us don't have it. Hi guys, so we're going sa pool right now. It's day 3. We don't have that much videos. Day 1, day 2, and day 3. But yeah. Going sa pool.
Mati yun sa akin, nilagay mo na dito.
And relay it. 2 backs my last individual event, and then relay, and tomorrow I have nothing else. Hi guys, so day 2 is done, and then my times, my 2 back maintained down. Our relay, we got 4th or 5th, I think. Yeah, my split there though was, what should my split there was good naman. We're waiting for the others because they're in relay. I mean, they're getting the medal for the relay, the boys. Hi guys, so we're going sa stage. Pool ulit kasi we're going to cheer for the others. Pool kasi! Hi guys, so last day is done. That ends yung color of 25. Yeah, we're going back to the hotel.
Tell me something when the rain falls on my face.
Hi guys, so mag-tour kami today. Waiting for the others. We're in the function hall right now.
With a golden summer smile. Tell me something
Meron pa doon, no?
Don't think that you even realize the joy you make me feel when I'm inside your universe. You hold me like I'm the one who's precious. I hate to break it to you, but it's just the other way.
Hi guys, so we're not going. We're still and then after that we're gonna put our things on buses and then uwi na kami.
When I'm about to lose control.
Hi guys, so bawi na kami. We're in the bus. It's not moving pero it's about to move.
Gently calm me down.
We're gonna go back down.
Tell me something when you sing and when you laugh. You always photograph my heart way above the clouds. Don't think that you even realize the joy you make me feel when I'm inside your universe. You hold me like I'm the one who's precious. I hate to break it.